Just posted what I got. A bunch of damn spoiled birds. Something I never thought I would ever do. Birds. Yeah, I hear you. I think everybody hears you. Come on. Come on, wave, Silky. There's a Fred. What they called him. Fred, woman, Betty, or something. Yeah, they're Flintstones. Down here I got girls call him Dwayne and a couple of redheads. Reba and the other redhead country singer. She got more eggs. Come on, leg hutch. Wood pile. Splitter. Okay, I think you see them all. What? What do you want? Yeah, I see ya. I'm not feeding you. You got plenty of food. Got plenty of food right there. You don't want it? Don't eat it. I don't care. You guys need to eat. Winter's here. Yeah, they're all good bunch of birds. Okay, later.